This is Doug at Germain of Sydney. Today we're going to take a look at a 2024 Ram 2500 Tradesman Crew Cab 4-wheel drive Cummins diesel. You'll notice this truck has the optional chrome appearance group on it. That's going to give it the chrome bumpers, chrome grille. Come around to the side, you'll notice the chrome wheel skins. We also equipped this one with the chrome wheel-to-wheel side step. Notice the Cummins Turbodiesel on the quarter panel. Come down the side here, come around to the back. Shot inside the tailgate. We lift the tailgate up. See the camera on the handle. You'll also notice that it has the hitch already equipped, along with the 7 and 4-pin wiring harness. We just open these up. That actually has all the wiring already in it. Come around down the side again. Big truck to walk all the way around. Actually put new mirrors on the truck for 24. Also notice when we come around, they actually integrated the Ram logo into the headlight. So all your door switches here, these are your standard door switches, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, the button up top. That is actually for you, allows you to move the bottom part of that outside mirror. Automatic headlights. Come in here, you can see, I really like the analog speedometer and odometer. Pull back a little bit. You can see the speedometer that is on the steering wheel. You can also see the buttons that'll navigate you through the dash area where the speedometer is. Down here on the right hand side, you can see your gear limit. So you can shift up, shift down. You can manually shift the gears. Come over here, you can see that you have the touchscreen radio, backup camera with the lines in it. You're also going to see, if we come down here, those are your temperature control knobs. Come down low, that is your trailer brake control. First button, that's your full diesel exhaust brake. You also have a tow haul button. Let's see if I can get that just a little bit clearer. And then right next to that is the button that's going to turn off your rear sensors. Come down a little lower. I know this is kind of hard to see, but those are charging ports, USB charging ports. You also have the manual 4-wheel drive lever. Come up top, there's a button that operates your power back window. This seat, there's actually a picture of the key. This console opens up. It's got great storage in it. This lifts up. It's got additional seating. Notice that there's also a tray. It's also a tray that sits right in front of the seat there. Let me show you in the back seat. Back seat area. You've actually got storage underneath the seat. Pull that back just a little bit. Cup holders. Also vents in the back. So once again, this is your 2024 Ram 2500 Tradesman Crew Cab 4-wheel drive with a Cummins diesel. Again, my name is Doug Koblentz. You can actually reach me here at the dealership. It's 937-492-8005, extension 218. Or you can reach me on my cell phone. It's 937-418-4562.